Hey guys, so here we go. I'm going to start another lecture. We're going to be talking a little bit more about the brain as well, taking care of spinal column, that sort of stuff. But I'd like to spend a little time with the brain specifically. First, we are discussing. Let's discuss. Oh my gosh, please hurry up. Central nervous system, CNS, the center portion of your nervous system that actually controls everything. That's what we're going to be talking about. And here it is: CNS, central nervous system, is your brain. Right and left hemispheres. As we looked at that picture of the different colors, tells you which side you're dominant. There's more to it than just what side's dominant. There's a lot of factors involved in that, but it kind of explains the left or right hemisphere of the brain and all the different pieces that go along with that. And we're going to be doing some diagrams and coloring and some projects wrapped around the brain specifically. The CNS system also consists of your spinal cord. Okay, the spinal cord itself branches off from the brain down the spinal column, which has an open orifice all the way through those vertebrae, 33 of them total. And at the very ends, as this branches down, not at the very end, but as this spinal cord branches down, it branches out through the spinal column to the periphery, where we start to get our peripheral nervous system. But this is all still talking about just the central nervous system. Neurotransmitters, chemical substance that makes communication possible between neurons. The chemicals between, okay, that actually are what are all about information being passed between these neurons. These are the chemicals that you'll find in the nervous system itself. And I'm going to have you do a little bit of work on these, kind of breaking them and understanding exactly what they are. Serotonin as well. CNS, the meninges, the skin, periosteum, bone, dura mater, acra mater, and pia mater, the different layers of the skull cap over the brain itself. Meninges, 3 layers of protective covering of the brain and spinal cord, which is the pia mater, the acra mater, and the dura mater, those 3 layers between the brain and the skull cap. CNS, central cerebral spinal fluid, CSF, is important for us to know about. The fluid in which the brain and spinal cord float, cools and cushions the brain itself, transports nourishment to the CNS. Transport nourishment to the CNS, sorry. So the fluid that actually encompasses all wrapped around our brain helps to cool it, helps to provide some cushioning as it does move around. When you're very young, firstborn, there definitely is more space and more opportunity for injury. As you get older, the brain fills that cavity a little more, further. Still have injury and problems from this, but we have a little bit less room to move around and less likelihood of causing too many traumas. And I'm sure some of you out there probably had concussions in the past. This is kind of those areas we're talking about. Now let's discuss the peripheral nervous system. We stop there, okay? We're going to spend a little time in that central nervous system and kind of work on some questioning and breaking it down a little bit. That's what I'd like to do with you guys. Thank you for your time. I know this is really odd. I appreciate all the effort you guys are putting in, and that's it. Take it easy, guys. Bye.